Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on the application of WhatsApp. You will go to settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find here this window of WhatsApp and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click here on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you.